Introduction to the 2025 Toyota Corolla. The 2025 Toyota Corolla remains one of the most recognizable and trusted compact sedans in the automotive world, continuing its tradition of reliability, efficiency, and modern appeal. With Toyota's focus on innovation, the new Corolla features a refreshed exterior, a refined interior, and an array of cutting-edge technology, making it a well-rounded choice for drivers seeking both practicality and style. For decades, the Corolla has been a staple in Toyota's lineup, known for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and dependability. The 2025 model builds on this legacy by incorporating bold design elements, upgraded interior materials, and improved performance options, ensuring it stays competitive in a market that demands more than just basic transportation. Exterior design. Toyota has given the 2025 Corolla a sleek and modern facelift, enhancing its sporty appeal while maintaining the aerodynamics that contribute to its impressive fuel economy. The front fascia now features a wider, more aggressive grille, complemented by sharper LED headlights that create a dynamic and confident look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines not only enhance aesthetics but also improve performance by reducing drag. Moving to the rear design, the Corolla boasts redesigned LED taillights that seamlessly integrate with the car's sleek profile. A subtle rear spoiler and sporty bumper detailing further enhance its road presence. The FX Special Edition model introduces black exterior accents, unique badging, and striking 18-inch satin black alloy wheels, giving the Corolla a more aggressive stance. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the 2025 Corolla offers a modern and driver-focused cabin, with premium materials and an intuitive layout. Toyota has upgraded the seating with available Softex Panjikrit Vyaparachan trimmed upholstery, ensuring a comfortable experience on long drives. The dashboard is designed for ease of use, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Apple CarPlay Panjikrit Vyaparachan and Android Auto Panjikrit Vyaparachan for seamless smartphone connectivity. Passenger comfort remains a priority, with ample rear legroom and an available power-adjustable driver's seat for personalized comfort. The dual-zone automatic climate control ensures a pleasant driving experience for all occupants, while available ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication to the cabin. Performance and efficiency. Toyota continues to offer a fuel-efficient yet capable driving experience with the 2025 Corolla. The standard 2.0 Yojakchin LiTAR 4-cylinder engine delivers a smooth and responsive ride while maintaining excellent fuel economy. For eco-conscious drivers, the Corolla Hybrid offers even greater efficiency, providing a balance between performance and sustainability. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in the Toyota Safety Sensor Panjikrit Vyaparachan 3.0 suite, which comes standard on all trims. This includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, road sign assist. These advanced driver assist features enhance confidence and security, making the 2025 Corolla one of the safest vehicles in its segment. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Corolla successfully blends modern styling, advanced technology, and proven reliability, making it a compelling choice for a wide range of drivers. Whether you are a first-time car buyer, a commuter looking for efficiency, or someone who values cutting-edge safety features, the new Corolla offers everything you need in a compact sedan. With its refreshed design, comfortable interior, and fuel-efficient performance, the Corolla continues to be a standout in the automotive world, proving once again why it remains a bestseller year after year.